Angel Extrusion Private Limited is a renowned aluminium extrusion company in the country and pioneer in the innovation of aluminium extrusion products. Company established in 2003, located at Surat, spread over in 65,000 square feet area, having 5,000 metric ton extrusion capacity per annum. We are accredited as an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Aluminium scrap and ingots recycled and melting at 700 degrees in PNG gas-fired melting furnace. Preheating of billets in multi-billet heater at 500 degree temperature. Extrude in 1100 metric ton in press with range of 2000 multiple dies. Stretching, cutting and aging. Spectrometer facility for better alloy chemical composition. UTS machine for ultimate tensile strength report. Fully equipped with Brinell hardness testing, Rockwell hardness C-scale and Webster testing facility. Conductivity meter for conductivity test. Ready to dispatch.